Hello everybody. This is one of the most easiest jelly that we can make. So before I start the video, I would like to say that when I show the process, don't be panic thinking this is a hard work. Just try it once and you will make when needed. So this jelly is one of the most easiest jelly that as Sri Lankans can make it. So this is the jelly packet that we will be using to make. So put the jelly into a bowl. And secondly, I have shown in the video, wash the most jelly as required. As shown in the video, separate the hairy like jelly pieces because this must be cleaned well. As you can see, this most jelly consists of sand because this origins from the sea. So whether they contain sand, this is not harmful to our body. Any one of y'all can eat it. So until the dirt and sand get removed, we need to wash it thoroughly. This is after when all sand get washed away. Rest it for minimum 5 hours in water. So this is after 5 hours of rest. Wash it again as shown and remove the excess dirt. Keep some water to be boiled. Add the moss jelly. Stir it continuously. When it boils and gets this point, take it out of the flame. Do as shown in the video. These are the excess after filtration, so make sure you keep the excess, you throw away these excess. So this is the mixture that we want. Take a bowl and put the jelly. Adding coloring is optional, and if anyone need, you can put sugar also. So this will be the final outcome of the jelly. Keep out to be set because we do not need refrigerators. As you can see, this will be after it has been set. So it's actually optional to keep inside a refrigerator. So bye everyone. See you with another interesting video. Subscribe, share and like us. Thank you.